Bluelands is committed to building a new brand of intelligent sports and leisure travel with technological manufacturing elements. Through professional design, superb technology, personalized service, and operation, it gives users a new way of sports and leisure travel. We have gathered many high-level design and manufacturing teams with the core of smart sports and leisure activities, covering the Internet of Things, smart electric vehicles, smart assisted bicycles, and sports and leisure equipment. The team has nearly 10 years of professional electric bicycles and parts R&D experience, bringing electric vehicles and bicycles to a new type of Internet platform, creating a new field of technology, fashion, and smart travel.